Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. It is a requested video from my viewers, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 9, area of plane figures, exercise 9.2, third bit. In third bit, first problem. So here third problem is find the area of the shaded region in each of the following figures. In that I am going to explain about first problem. So first problem is given like this. They gave the measurement of from this point to this point is 42 centimeters. Let's take these four shaded regions are semicircles. Then from this to this we get radius. From this to this also radius. And this one also radius. And here they gave the hint as d by 2 plus d by 2 equal to 42. So from that hint we can write 42 equal to d by 2 plus d. Here d by 2 is nothing but radius. So 42 equal to, let's take LCM for this, 2 numerator d plus 2d plus d. Then we get 42 into 2 equal to, here d plus 2d plus d is 4d. Next d equal to 42 into 2 divided by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 21s are 42. Then we get d equal to 21 centimeters. So we know the value of d diameter is 21 centimeter. So here let's take this as 1, this as 2, this 3 and this as 4. Now combine 1 and 2 semicircles, we get like this. Next combine 3 and 4 semicircles, we get this. So these two are the full circles. When we add 2 semicircles we get a full circle. So now we can find the area of the circle. Here they gave d equal to 21 centimeter. Here also d equal to 21 centimeters. So we have the same diameter value for these two circles. So now area of the shaded region. Is equal to area of the circle plus area of the circle. So here we have two circles with the same measurements. So we can write these two as 2 into area of circle. So we all know the formula for area of circle is pi r square. So here let's substitute that formula. 2 into area of circle is pi r square. Since from the formula area of the circle equal to pi r square. But here they gave diameter d equal to 21. So we can also write the formula for diameter, that is pi d square by 4. Or since we can write r equal to d by 2, so pi into d by 2 whole square means d square by 4. So now we have to substitute d value 21 centimeters. 2 into pi into 21 whole square by 4 in bracket, since d equal to 21 centimeters. So here 2 into pi is 22 by 7 constant value, 21 into 21 by 4. So here 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22. Again we can cancel this 2 and this 2. 7 1s are 7 3s are 21. Then we get 11 into 3 into 21. So now multiplication of 11 into 3 is 33 into 21. I am doing rough work right side of the page. That is 33 into 21. 1 33 is a 33. 2 3 is a 6. 2 3 is a 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6. So we get 693. So 693 centimeters square. This is the solution for this problem. Therefore, area of the shaded region equal to 693 centimeters square or square centimeter. So here why we take 2 in front of this formula. Area of circle means we have 2 circles with the same diameter value 21 centimeters. If we take area of circle plus area of circle with the same value, we can also get the same solution. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఈ వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find them. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.